The sound of water in the ears of the thirsty. The real work belongs to someone who desires God and has severed himself from every other work. The rest are like the children who play together. For these few short days until it gets dark, or like someone who wakes and springs up, still drowsy, and then is lulled back to sleep by the suggestion of an evil nurse. Go to sleep, my daughter. I won't let anyone disturb you. If you are wise, you yourself will tear up your slumber by the roots. Like the thirsty man who heard the noise of the water, God says to you, I am the sound of water in the ears of the thirsty. I am rain falling from heaven. Spring up, lover, show some excitement. How can you hear the sound of water and then fall back to sleep?